Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. This is just another one of those quick videos where I follow up on a previous project, in this case the garden pond. We've got the pond a little more landscaped. It's not done yet, but it's getting there. And we've set up our fish dome again this year. So I'm going to show you how that gets filled with water, and then maybe we'll have some fish swimming around up in the air. So our pond landscaping is still in progress. We're working on a surround. We've got our little lock and dam running. And we've got our main pond with some fish in it. And then this is the fish dome. It does not have the water in it yet. There are a few videos on YouTube of how to do this, but basically you just stick a shop vac up in there and suck all the air out. And that suctions the water up into it, and then it's held there under pressure. And the water inside the dome is under a little less pressure than the surrounding pond. So it's kind of a weird experience for the fish, but they do like to go up in there. Now this inverted aquarium thing works a lot like the old science trick of putting an upside down water glass in a sink, or in this case our duck pond. If you have the glass inverted, you can pull it up and keep the water inside. You can see the water stays inside of that glass until the seal is broken, allowing the pressure to equalize and air to get inside of it. So, as long as the glass, or in the pond's case, our fish dome, has the rim fully underwater, it will maintain water inside of it. We keep the goose out of the fish pond for somewhat obvious reasons, mostly because these critters would eat all the fish and poop everywhere and make a huge mess. Also, the goose is not very nice. So let's get the vacuum out and get our special U-shaped attachment that goes up in the dome and get that full of water. So here's our dome a couple days later, and one of the problems with this is a lot of bubbles come up out of this pond. You can see bubbles rising even now, and they get trapped under the dome, and so you get this big air bubble at the top, and there's already some duckweed going on in there. So I still have to vacuum this out occasionally. It's kind of a pain to drag the shop vac out here every time to deal with these bubbles. So if anyone out there knows a better way to do this, please let me know in the comments. Good enough. We have a fish investigating the dome. A big fish. Oh, I think I spooked it. We seem to have some teeny little baby fish in the dome. I don't quite know what they are, if they're goldfish fry or what. Can't quite see this one. There's one. Hopefully fish is not eating the baby fish. The garden pond is still a work in progress, and we will probably have other videos on it in the future. So feel free to like and subscribe so you see what else we come up with, and check out my other videos for more Save It for Parts projects. Thanks for watching.